Hello friends, welcome back. This is Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tag. In this video, I'm going to tell you, is your iPhone battery draining faster than ever? Wish it could last twice as long. Well, today I'm revealing hidden iPhone secrets that will double your battery life. Let's dive in. So firstly, let's tackle what's secretly killing your battery. So first is background app refresh. It drains power even when you are not using apps. So tap on settings. Now tap on general. Scroll down. Now you can see here background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh. So you can see here background app refresh option. Tap on and you can see here off option. Now tap on off and turn it off. So go back. So second is location services overload. Apps tracking you in the background. So tap on settings again and scroll down. Now tap on privacy and security. Now tap on location services. Now you can see here location services toggle is on. Now tap on toggle and turn it off. Tap on off. So go back. Now let's activate some game-changing battery saving settings. So low power mode. Instead of waiting for 20%, turn it on anytime from control center. Open your control center and you can see here low power mode option. Now tap on low power mode. So when you need and turn it on. So go back. Now next is dark mode saves power. OLED screens use less power in dark mode. Enable it in settings. So tap on settings. Now tap on display and brightness. Now you can see here dark mode option available. Tap on dark mode and you can also select and adjust brightness up and low. So go back. Now next step is reduce motion and transparency. Animations eat battery. Go to settings. Now accessibility. Now tap on motion. Now you can see here reduce motion. Reduce the motion of the user's interface, including the parallax effect of icons. When in low power mode, perspective zoom of wallpapers will be disabled. Tap on toggle and turn it on. So go back. So friends, next is optimized charging. Keeps your battery healthier long term. Go to settings. Now tap on battery. Now you can see here battery health and charging. Now tap on battery health and charging. Now you can see here optimized battery charging. Tap on toggle and turn it on. So go back. So friends, use Apple's original charger. Cheap chargers can degrade battery life over time. So next is turn off 5G when unnecessary. 5G drains power fast. So go to settings. Now tap on mobile services. You can see here mobile data options. Now you can see here voice data. So tap on voice data and switch to LTE when you don't need 5G speed. So you can easily manual and auto select. Now tap on LTE toggle and turn it on. So go back. So friends, finally restart your iPhone at least once a week. It clears background processes and refreshes battery efficiency. So try these tricks and let me know how much longer your battery lasts. Hit that like button if you found this helpful video for your iPhone device and for your information. And also subscribe my YouTube channel Bukhari tag, and also press bell icon for more iPhone hacks and more information. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.
I'm a mess, no one guess.